We're going into the desert part of the...
I know.
Okay.
Water.
Okay.
Water's dead in the desert.
It is.
Water in the desert.
There's a river, so we could always just go for a swim.
Really, you want to be drinking out of the rivers around here?
Oh, it's not at all.
Real safe. Real safe.
Motorcycles running through
What is he doing? Okay, she's Benny. Okay. So see where that fence, the corner of the fence is? That's where we want to go right there. Where he just came through. You see? Woo! He's got it! Yeah!
His mirrors.
He's got it. You're good, you're good. Now watch your mirror. Yeah. No problem. Yeah. Nice! No fucking problem! Yeah, I'm following you boys.
I didn't knock my peg off, did I?
Pardon?
Did I knock anything off?
No, you cut your peg, but you're fine.
Oh, that's what I thought. No idea how fast they can be going over me.
Too much fun! Watch the two there. Those are big. Look at this water on the side.
Yeah, those are huge. Oh, this is big.
Make sure you warn him.
Oh, I can't.
Where is he? Oh, he's behind you.
Behind me. He's taking it slow. He doesn't have suspension.
See me killing it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's some nice looking water.
Yeah.
Can I get a drink out of there?
You thirsty? You having fun? This ain't so bad, eh?
Yeah. Much easier.
Well, we're gonna cross the bridge right here. We're gonna go across the pipe, okay? No, not at all. All the way. Hey, Benny, you should ride beside him. Go ahead.
I'm learning more from following your line.
Well, it all depends what mood you're in. You can you can flip over the pothole, you can attack them, or you can go around them on the side.
Oh, it's just nasty water.
This is your first single track, eh?
Yep.
I love it.
Whoa! You get that on camera?
I felt that, yeah.
Whoa!
It's just staying in the track though, so you're not gonna actually wipe out. It's just slipping predictably. It's a predictable slip. Does that make sense?
No.
Oh! You hit the brakes. You okay? I'm coming. You okay? Nothing's broken? Your foot looks broken. Oh. You okay? Hey, you okay?
Yeah, fine.
Sure? You hit the brakes, eh?
Did I?
Yeah, well, that's what it looked like to me.
I don't remember hitting anything.
It's the mud too will do it. You okay, right?
Yeah, fine.
Your foot was 180.
My bike sucks.
Your bike's not fucked. Your bike's not fucked. Your bike is completely fine. It went over in mud. You're getting straight.
Straighten it out.
Oof, let me get behind it. You got it?
Yep.
Okay? No, you're fine. You gotta slow down and put both your feet down in those. Okay, now just straighten it out for a sec, relax. Wipe some mud off. Woo! We're good! Okay, wipe some mud off, you're good. No, off your legs and shit. Just wash it when you get home. Listen, is this too much?
No, I just don't like pulling.
Okay. Well, no, as long as we're still within your fun limit. I got the back. Now just stay there for a sec. You got it?
Yeah.
Yeah. We're almost there. Right over this yellow thing. We're pretty much down the trail. Yeah. This is really nasty in here. It's like different colors and shit. You're lucky your bike is new. Starts every time. Slow. You're fine. Nice. Yeah, your bike is fine. And if your handlebar is bent from any slow maneuvering, we just gotta bend it back.
I was just trying to keep up.
He was killing it.
I don't know how you ride so goddamn fast. Oh, that's gross.
It's the brakes that get you in the mud.
I didn't touch the brakes.
Or with the engine brake, you can do it too.
Run faster!
We were just saying, how the fuck are you moving so fast? I love it.
Oh, I'm gonna need to go to like a car wash and ride my bike for it. Put me on it.
Yeah, I might have to.
Oh!
I guess we gotta go this way?
Around the pole, it looks like.
Or up over here? I just wouldn't want to tip. I'm going straight up.
He's going over the grade.
Woo! I just killed that. Did you see that?
I did.
You should hit that. Hold on though. Hold on. Just give it gas and stay light on your feet.
I really don't want to do that right now.
No, it's fine. It's easy. Visual inspection. Nothing's broken. Nothing's leaking. You're good? Is Benny leaking anywhere? He's got Brad's fine. Everything's good. Okay. Well, let's do some highway driving. But remember, your tires are still muddy, so be careful. So this is the sand dunes. This is where you come have some fun. You test out the slippiness of your bike. You practice your burnouts and stuff down here. There's hills you can climb over here. I wouldn't in this. Now nothing in here is going to hurt this because it's all sand and it's soft pack sand, so it's not going to damage your pipe. But I would personally stick to the hard pack stuff if you ever come out here. Yeah, I'll show you where the hard pack stuff is, and then we'll do a loop of the track. And we'll come out. I don't think we'll hang out. I might try to climb this hill real quick, but we'll do the track first. So this is the dirt track. This is the loop here. If you ever want to get some really amazing photos for your portfolio and stuff, this corner right here. Because your tire, when you come around it, you slide around the corner every time. So I've done professional photo shoots here with a couple people. We've sold the photos before. It's really nice. If you want to get some corner, if you want to take some photos with two of us hammering this corner, feel free. You want to you want to try this a couple times? The loop?
Sure.
Okay. We're game if you are. Okay. Yeah. Work. Yeah. Well, I'll just fucking try it. Totally capable. Nice! 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 Now snap it when you come out of the corner, see that wheel spinning. It's the fun part. Not in the corner, it's coming out of it. Okay, so we'll head that way anyways. Okay. Oh no, I didn't expect you to go up the hill. There's just a little loop at the end, but we're gonna hit the hill right now. I guess.
really just don't want to drop my bike anymore.
Why? You gonna get it more dirty?
I don't know.
What do you think without the dirt tires? How far do you think I'm getting?
You going for it?
Of course I am. As long as you'll help me get out, I got no dirt tires.
I still get stuck across.
I just gotta turn enough here somehow.
I already dropped my bike in the sand once today.
Oh, get up here, buddy. Still going. Fuck. You okay?
I think I make up hell.
You're not coming up?
I tried.
Oh, come on, one more try.
I have no idea what I'm doing.
You just gotta hit it hard. The trick of the sand is keep your throttle, keep the wheels spinning. The wheel's gonna be spinning the entire time. Give it one try and then we'll go.
I got sunk out of it.
I'll give you one try and then we'll go.
No, I did my one try. I already dropped the fucking blade. You can see the path of where I made it up to. You've only been riding like way longer than I have.
Woo! You gotta keep trying. That's how you learn. Okay. I think Spencer's done on the off-road. He hit the wall. This is the end of the trail for him. He can go no further. The wall. Dude helped me pick up my bike. He helped me pick up my bike. That was nice of him. A true gentleman. Definitely in trouble. Oh, I know. Definitely think it's funny and epic. And it's fine. No damage, nothing. You didn't even drop it once today, did you? Oh no, the stand only once, but from a standstill in the sand. Throttle, man. So yeah, you can basically fucking attack anything in BC. That's the moral of the story. When the zombie apocalypse comes, just ride the fucking ditch. No problem. I love it. So, what do you think? Are you happy you took it off road? You had a good experience? Good. Now you said you're gonna hit your sister's place next, right? Your sister's place, you said, had 30 clicks out of nowhere? So that'll be the next adventure. Nice. Okay, Spenny, do you know the way back?
Where are we?
Well, you don't want to go back through the mud, right?
No.
The mud, no? You don't want to go back the way we came. We'll hit the road.
Yeah.
Another one.